Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to read Viber messages without seeing, and now let's dive right in. Now to read Viber messages without seeing, guys, first open up your Viber app, and after opening your Viber app, in order to read the message without seeing, first turn off your connection on your phone or your device. That may be on Wi-Fi or your mobile data, and after that open or turn on the airplane mode on your device. And with that being done, guys, open the chat or open the chat box of that person of whom you want to view the message and read it as you like. And with that being done, go back, exit the Viber app on your phone, and after that you will be required to clear cache on your Viber so the message will be without seen. And to do that, open the settings of your phone and scroll down until you can find the apps option available for us just below the battery. Tap on apps, and over here tap on the app management at the top of the screen, and again over here search for Viber by tapping on the search bar and search for Viber. Open the Viber app over here, and then you'll be required to tap on the storage usage option available for us just below this data usage. Tap on storage usage and clear the cache of the Viber app over here. And let's go back and turn on your mobile data or your Wi-Fi or whichever your connection is, and then turn off the airplane mode. With that being done, guys, your message, you will have read your message without being seen on Viber. And let's open up the Viber app, and you can see, guys, your message will be read. You will have read your message without being seen on the Viber itself. And there, guys, this is how to read Viber messages without seeing. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.